So today we will solve one question whose sorts I've already published, but I will try to solve it again in front of you in the live session. So here it's given that root x, it's given that x equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay, so let me solve it out. It's given that x as 2 plus root 3, right? This is given to you, right? Now we need to find the value of root over x plus 1 by root x. This is equal to what? This need to be calculated, right? Now let us solve it. This is very good question, and if you are trying to understand that if the value of x is 2 plus root 3, and if you are trying to put the value over here into what is required, that is root over of x, that means root over of 2 plus root 3, so it's difficult to solve this, right? So what we'll do, and even more difficult when the complete root x into the denominator. So what we will do, we will just simply consider this, what we need to calculate, root x plus 1 by root x, right? Just square it. So on squaring, what we will have, squaring above, we will be having root x plus 1 by root x whole square, just after squaring it, right? This will give you can see a plus b whole square. So you can expand it assuming root x as a and 1 by root x as b. If this is a and this is b, then a plus b whole square. And what is the formula of a plus b whole square? It's a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So just expand it, root x plus 1 by root x whole square. This will be coming as, if this is x, this is a, then root x whole square plus 1 by root x whole square plus 2ab, that means 2 times this a and this b, plus 2 times root x into 1 by root x, right? Here root x and root x will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out, right? Now we are left with what? We are left with root x whole square. Root x whole square is x, right? X plus 1 by root x whole square, definitely x power 1 by 2 square, that is 1 by x plus 2. The next step, put up the value of x from here to x as 2 plus root 3. So if we put the value of x as 2 plus root 3, it will be like this, plus 1 by 2 plus root 3, right, plus 2. Okay, now just rationalize this term which is into the denominator of the second term. So we will be having, just I'm shifting it little left, it will be 2 plus root 3, the first term, plus 1 by 2 plus root 3, and when we rationalize it, it will be, we are multiplying by 2 minus root 3 into the numerator and denominator. Why this is taken? Because you can see, if this is a, this is b, then a plus b and a minus b, this will be a square minus b square, right? So in this way the root from the denominator will be eliminated, right? And the last term, that is 2, which is already left. Now this will give you 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, which is into the numerator of the second term, and 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, where a is 2, b is root 3, right, plus 2. So this will give you, changing the color of the pen to distinguish clearly, 2 plus root 3 plus what's 2 minus root 3 into the numerator by 2 square will be 4 and root 3 square will be 3. This will be 4 minus 3 into the denominator plus 2, right? This will give you 4 minus 3 will be 1. So into the denominator it will be 1. Now we are left with 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 by 1 plus 2. So here you can see this root 3 and this root 3 will be cancelled out. And we are left with what? And we are left with 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 6. So we can say that the value of root x plus 1 by root x whole square is 6. So I'm writing it over here. That is root x plus 1 by root x whole square, its value is 6. Do one thing, take a square root of both the sides. When you take a square root in both the sides, that is LHS and RHS, you will, what you will get? You will get what you are seeking, that is root x plus 1 by root x. So this will give you root x plus 1 by root x into the LHS, and this will be equal to root over of 6. So this will give you plus minus. That means when you are taking the root of any terms, this will be plus minus, two terms will be there. So plus root 6 and minus root 6. This is your answer. This is your answer, right? So in this way, we have solved this question. I hope you like this solution, students. Thank you so much for watching. Just like and subscribe. Bye bye.